The Lincoln Illusion 1937 Custom, a timeless masterpiece on wheels. The 1937 Lincoln Illusion Custom is an extraordinary classic car that perfectly blends pre-war elegance with modern custom craftsmanship. This vehicle is not just another classic Lincoln, it represents a work of art on wheels, where vintage charm meets cutting-edge automotive modifications. If you're an enthusiast of classic cars or custom builds, this masterpiece deserves your attention. Let's take a deep dive into what makes the Lincoln Illusion 1937 Custom one of the most breathtaking and unique vehicles ever built. A brief history of Lincoln in the 1930s. Before we explore the Illusion Custom build, it's essential to understand Lincoln's legacy during the 1930s. Lincoln, Ford's luxury brand, was known for producing high-end automobiles that rivaled Cadillac, Packard, and other prestigious manufacturers of the era. By the mid-1930s, Lincoln had established itself as a premier luxury automaker. The 1937 Lincoln Zephyr, for instance, was a revolutionary model that introduced aerodynamic design elements, setting new standards in automobile styling. The 1937 Lincoln lineup was a blend of Art Deco styling, streamlined bodies, high-performance V12 engines, unparalleled luxury and craftsmanship. This historical foundation makes the Lincoln Illusion 1937 Custom even more special, as it takes inspiration from one of Lincoln's golden years and transforms it into a modern masterpiece. What is the Lincoln Illusion 1937 Custom? The Lincoln Illusion 1937 Custom is a fully modified and highly personalized version of a 1937 Lincoln. It is an iconic representation of how a classic car can be reimagined with a contemporary approach while retaining its vintage soul. This car is more than a restoration, it is a complete reinvention. Builders took a 1937 Lincoln and meticulously transformed it into a stunning showpiece that blends classic styling with state-of-the-art engineering. Why is it called Illusion? The name Illusion is fitting because at first glance, the car appears to be a perfectly preserved 1937 Lincoln. However, as you look closer, you realize that almost every part of it has been modernized, redesigned, or custom-built. Key features of the Lincoln Illusion 1937 Custom. 1. Unique exterior design. The first thing that captures attention is the flawless exterior of the Illusion Custom. Unlike an ordinary restoration, the body of this vehicle has been modified to create a sleeker, more sculpted appearance. Handcrafted bodywork. The entire body has been reshaped for a more futuristic yet classic look. Lowered stance. Custom air suspension allows the car to sit dramatically lower, enhancing its aggressive yet elegant profile. Extended front end. The hood and grille have been extended, giving the car longer and more commanding presence. Shaved door handles, smooth lines. To maintain a clean and seamless look, door handles and excess trim have been removed. The result, a vehicle that retains the soul of the 1937 Lincoln but looks like something out of a modern automotive dream. 2. High-performance engine upgrade. While the original 1937 Lincoln came with a V12 engine, the Illusion Custom features a completely new powertrain, modern V8 or V12 engine. Many custom builds replace the stock engine with a more powerful and reliable power plant, often a modern Ford Coyote V8 or a high-performance LS engine. Upgraded fuel injection system. Unlike the carbureted engines of the past, the Lincoln Illusion 1937 Custom is likely to have a fuel-injected system, ensuring smooth power delivery. Custom exhaust system. A high-performance exhaust system gives this car a deep, throaty growl, making sure it sounds as powerful as it looks. This upgraded engine setup ensures that the car not only looks like a work of art but also performs like a beast on the road. 3. Luxurious interior. Step inside the Lincoln Illusion 1937 Custom, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that perfectly balances vintage aesthetics with modern luxury. Premium leather upholstery. Soft, hand-stitched leather seats provide both comfort and elegance. Digital dashboard. A custom digital gauge cluster replaces traditional analog meters, giving the driver precise, real-time information. State-of-the-art sound system. Hidden speakers and a premium audio system provide a concert-like experience inside the car. Air conditioning. Modern amenities. Unlike the original 1937 Lincoln, this custom build includes modern conveniences such as air conditioning, heated seats, and a touchscreen infotainment system. The interior feels like a luxury lounge on wheels, making it as enjoyable to drive as it is to admire. 4. Custom chassis suspension. To handle modern power and provide a comfortable ride, the Lincoln Illusion 1937 Custom features a completely re-engineered chassis and suspension system. Independent front-rear suspension provides improved handling and stability. Unlike the original solid axle setup, adjustable air suspension allows the driver to lower or raise the car at the push of a button, offering both comfort and style. Disc brakes on all 4 wheels. Unlike the original drum brakes, modern disc brakes provide superior stopping power. These upgrades make sure that this classic car drives as smoothly as a modern luxury sedan. The custom build process. Creating a masterpiece like the Lincoln Illusion 1937 Custom takes thousands of hours of work. The process includes 1. Sourcing the base car, finding an original 1937 Lincoln in restorable condition. 2. Disassembly stripping. Every nut and bolt is removed to create a fresh foundation. 3. Body modifications, custom metalwork and fabrication to reshape the car. 4. Drivetrain chassis installation. Modern engine, suspension, and braking systems are integrated. 5. Interior customization. Handcrafted upholstery, dashboard, and luxury features are added. 6. Paint final touches. A high-gloss, show-quality paint job completes the masterpiece. The result is a car that looks classic but performs like a modern supercar. Why the Lincoln Illusion 1937 Custom is so special. This car is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement of craftsmanship, passion, and innovation. Here's why it stands out. A unique blend of old new. It preserves the essence of a 1937 Lincoln while incorporating cutting-edge technology. Rare, one of a kind. No 2 custom builds are exactly the same, making each Illusion Custom completely unique. Showstopper appeal. Whether at car shows or cruising down the street, this car demands attention. Timeless design. While many modern cars age quickly, this blend of classic and custom elements ensures it will remain stunning for generations. Conclusion. A dream car like no other. The Lincoln Illusion 1937 Custom is not just a car, it's an automotive masterpiece. With its breathtaking exterior, luxurious interior, and high-performance engineering, it represents the pinnacle of classic car customization. For those who appreciate the art of automotive design and engineering, this custom build is truly a dream come true. Whether you're an avid collector or simply an admirer of fine automobiles, the Lincoln Illusion 1937 Custom is a testament to what happens when passion and craftsmanship come together. Would you love to own a masterpiece like this? Let us know in the comments. This article is designed to be engaging, informative, and perfect for a YouTube video or blog post. Let me know if you want any modifications.